I am saying this with all confidence. This is going to be the most flavorful, the most delicious homemade bread you will ever try. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. Do you have some dark plantain in your house? This has been sitting in my refrigerator or my freezer. Which one? Anyways, this has been waiting for me to make use of it. And today is finally here. Let us create a banger with this dark plantain. Peel the plantain, transfer in a bowl. You are going to mash with a fork. Plantain is already soft, so it will be easier for you to mash with a fork. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, after mashing the plantain, it's time to move in with instant yeast. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar and warm milk. Now, you know plantains is already sweet, so you can skip sugar if you wish. But remember, we are making use of flour. Once you add flour, it is going to reduce the sweetness of the plantain. So the choice is yours, whether to add sugar or not. I move in with 1 egg. You can use either melted butter or margarine. Then move in with your choice of vegetables. I added spring onion, carrot, and bell pepper. Mix to combine very well. At this point, you'll be having liquid salad. Once that is done, move in with the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right. Once that is done, I am going to add some salt, cinnamon powder, and curry masala. Oh my word, don't miss curry masala, please. This is a game changer to this recipe. If you are with me at this moment, type game changer at the comment section. Beautiful shout out to you, Ngozi, watching from Kaduna, Annie from South America, Chippies from Nigeria, Defina Muela, watching from Angola, and Hafida, all the way from Morocco. Whoops. I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, I continue to mix till I form a colorful popping dough just like this one. I feel like eating it raw. It looks so good. Just look at that. You can still see some pieces of plantain. Please don't worry. Nature will take care of that. All right? Cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to prove. 30 minutes later, voila, it has doubled in size. Look at that. It looks so beautiful. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Give it a punch, mix for a few seconds, then transfer to the work surface. I rub some oil on the work surface. You can use flour. All right. Now I am going to arrange with my fingers. You don't really need a rolling pin to roll. If you want to use rolling pin, it's okay, but your fingers can do the job very well. All right. After arranging the dough as demonstrated, go ahead and fold. Once you fold, you seal. Fold and seal as demonstrated. All right, once you get to the end, you are going to do the final sealing. Make sure that you seal properly. All right, if you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Okay, like I said earlier, make sure that you see the end properly. Once that is done, you are going to transfer in a well-greased baking pan. I dusted the pan with some flour, okay? Once you grease the pan, you are good to go. Transfer the dough into the pan and arrange properly as demonstrated. You are going to cover for the second time and allow to prove for the second time. Go ahead and drop it anywhere warm around your home to prove. 20 minutes later, voila, you can see that the dough is almost exploding. Look at that. I feel like eating it raw. It looks so good and it smells so amazing. Bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes and there you have it. Look at what we have. It is looking so good. It turned out so well. Transfer in a rack and allow to cool down completely. But your girl loves hot bread. In fact, I started eating immediately. The aroma coming from my oven while baking is called peri-peri aroma. If you are with me at this moment, type peri-peri aroma at the comment section. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. It turned out so well. I open it and this is what the inside looks like. Oh my word, super rich. It smells so amazing. Give it a try and you won't regret you did. Look, just look at the way that bread looks. I hope you find this video helpful. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.